Good morning, everyone. I hope your first week is going well and that you're not too overwhelmed. I'm trying to respond to your emails and the office hours doc in a timely manner, so I hope I'm doing that. If you still need anything or don't understand something, please let me know. The biggest thing that I want to reiterate is that these are weekly assignments and it's kind of a you do them on your own schedule time. So if I put something on Wednesday and you're like, well, I don't have time for social studies Wednesday, that's okay. If you have any other time throughout the week, then get it done. And if it's too much, just email me and we can figure something out. So what's on the schedule for today is actually CNN10, and we've not done that before. I was going to introduce that after spring break, actually. So I'm going to show you how to get there, what it is, and then today you have two options. You can either just watch an episode and discuss it with a family member, or you can watch the episode and then put it as our first discussion post in your blog, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we go. We're going to head over to the daily agenda, our homeschool slides. The second slide was meant to be a one-stop shop for you guys. That's why all those links are there, so I apologize if it's kind of confusing, but I figured this would be the best way. You're going to go to our weekly agenda document. You're going to go to CNN10. So there's a different episode every single day, and it's called CNN10 because it lasts 10 minutes, hence news explained in 10 minutes. So it's exactly 10 minutes. It won't go over, it won't go under, and if you need some extra help with it, here is an entire transcript of the episode for you. Now, you've watched it, you want to do your first discussion post. Okay, here we go. So then you would have to go to your Edublogs. And my internet's slow. Go to your account, go to your profile. I don't know why, but mine brings me here all the time. So then the first thing I'm going to do is go to posts. I'm going to go to add new. And then what you would do is right here, you would type CNN 10, week 1. And then here you would do a brief discussion. Oops, I'm sorry. Of what happened in the episode. Did anything, oh my gosh, I can't spell brief. I apologize, you guys. Did anything surprise? Did anything surprise you? Do you have any extra questions? So just things that you would think about, what were you thinking during the episode, and then to get it into the appropriate spot, you have to come down here to categories. You need to click on discussions. And then once you are done with all of that, if you want to add a video of yourself doing that, if you want to add a picture, you have to hit the add media, and then you would simply hit publish. I'm not ready to publish this yet. That would be a very sad post, so I'm not going to. So that's the assignment for today. I hope you all are doing well. If you need anything, please continue to reach out for me. Thank you so much. Hope you guys are okay. Stay safe, and I will see you later. Bye.